Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to install PHP 8.0.0 on Windows 10 with the Apache 2.4 web server. So here you can see that PHP 8.0 is available in two flavors, thread safe and non-thread safe edition. So we are going to download thread safe zip file in order to run PHP on Apache 2.4 web server. So Apache 2.4 web server requires Visual C++ 2015 runtime, and PHP 8.0 requires Visual C++ 2015-2019 runtime to be installed by default. So here you can see that I have downloaded a PHP 8.0.0 thread safe zip file. So I'm verifying whether PHP 8 Apache 2_4 DLL is available or not. It's available. So through that DLL only, Apache 2.4 will be communicating to the PHP. So here you can see that I already installed Apache 2.4 on Windows 10. So also I have provided the tutorial link on the description of this video, how to install Apache 2.4 on Windows 10. So kindly verify the description of this video. So here you can see that Apache 2.4 services I have configured already. So it's running with the PHP 5.6. So we are going to change PHP 5.6 to PHP 8.0.0. So next step is program and features. So in program and features, you can see that I have already installed Microsoft Visual C++ 2015-2019 redistributable package already installed. So this is required by Apache 2.4 and PHP 8.0 distributions. Then only Apache and PHP will be get running. So make sure that it's installed. Next, I am creating one directory PHP 8.0. So in this directory, I am going to extract the PHP 8.0 thread safe zip file content. So this is a zip file. I'm going to extract the content to PHP 8.0 directory. So as I told earlier, make sure that it contains PHP 8 Apache 2_4.dll. So extraction is done here. So these are the contents. So here you can see that php.ini -development file. So I am going to rename this file as php.ini. So this is the initialization file for PHP. So you can set the default parameters for PHP in this php.ini file. So let me open that file. Yes, so you can see that lots of parameters are available. You can make changes accordingly as per your needs. So php.ini file will got initialized when first time PHP runs. So next step is I am going to edit the path variable in environment variable. So right click this PC properties, so advanced system settings, environment variables. Let me edit the path variable now. So path variable, edit. So currently I am pointing to PHP 5.6. I am going to delete it and add PHP 8.0 directory. So that all the PHP executable files will be available in the command line. So everything is fine now. So now I am going to check PHP version. Yes. So PHP is installed successfully. Next, PHP-m will give you what are the modules available in this PHP distribution. So next step is we are going to integrate PHP 8.0 with Apache 2.4. So this is Apache 2.4 directory. Under here We are going to conf directory and we are going to edit httpd.conf. Let me open the http.conf. So I am going to add 3 lines, that is 3 directives at last of this file. So here you can see that PHP ini file is pointing to 5.6, so I am modifying to 8.0. Also load module, also I am editing to load the module from the PHP 8.0 directory. So from PHP 8.0 directory it will load that PHP 8 Apache 2_4.dll file. Also next step I am changing the load module module name. So now it is showing as PHP 5_module. So I am renaming to PHP _module. This is very important for PHP 8. PHP 8_module will not work. Make it as PHP _module. Then only it will work. So now I am going to start the Apache web server now. Yes, Apache 2.4 web server is started. So you can also check the Apache 2.4 syntax before you starting the server. So this is the command httpd-t. So this will check the syntax on http.conf file, all the configuration file it will check the syntax. So syntax is good here. So now we are going to run the PHP in the web browser. Before that, in Apache directory htdocs, you can see that I have already copied welcome.php. So welcome.php will contain one function, php info function. So this will display all the information about the PHP. Now I am opening the browser. First I am checking whether Apache 2.4 is up and running or not. HTTP localhost. Yes, Apache 2.4 is up and running. /welcome.php. Yes. So you can see that Apache 2.4 is talking to PHP 8.0 now. So you can see all the information about the PHP environment variable, everything is printed. So PHP 8.0 installation on Windows 10 with the Apache 2.4 is successful. Make sure that all necessary runtime, VC++ runtimes are installed properly.